Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the rules of noun. So let us begin with the first rule. Objects without life are personified. The masculine gender is often applied to objects remarkable for their strength and violence, as the sun, summer, death, winter. So first of all, we see masculine gender, it stands for the males, and feminine gender, it stands for the females. So we see that things which are known for strength and violence, they take the masculine gender. The sun sheds his beam on rich and poor alike. So here you see the pronoun his has been used. It is because sun is considered masculine in gender, as it is quite harsh and cruel and known for death and violence. Similarly, the feminine gender is often applied to objects remarkable for beauty and gentleness, gracefulness. The moon, the spring, earth, autumn, nature, liberty, justice, mercy, peace, hope, charity. These all things they are considered as feminine in gender. So whenever they are given in errors, you will be given this as a pronoun in masculine gender. So you have to change it, or you have to find the error here. Spring has spread her mantle of green on the earth. So spring is considered feminine in gender. So you have to see that her is there. So in examination, you will find that his is written here. So you have to catch the errors. Next rule, abstract nouns have no plural. Actually, abstract noun is in the form of three things: quality, action, state. Quality is intelligence, action is theft, laughter, or state is childhood, motherhood. So abstract noun means something you can think of, something you can imagine of. So they are not pluralized. So example is hope, charity, love, kindness. So here hope cannot be hopes. So they must be in singular only. Now we go to another rules of noun. Collective noun. You very well know that collection of things is known as collective noun. Example, army, class. Army is a collection of soldiers. Class is a collection of students. So they can take singular verb, singular pronoun, as well as plural verb and plural pronoun. So you have to see where we have to consider it as singular and where we have to take it as plural. So let us make the difference in the two. If a collective noun denotes an undivided whole, hence here the verb is singular. After few minutes, the jury gave its verdict. So jury, you know, it's a collection of judges. So if it gives a single decision, if single verdict, then you see it is coming here. But let us see at the other case. The collective noun conveys the idea of separate individuals comprising the whole. The verb is plural. The jury were divided in their opinion. For example, you can take example of Babri Masjid. The High Court's decision by the three judges was different of each. Whereas the court decision in the Supreme Court, all the 5 judges, they give a single decision and it goes in favor of the Ram Mandir. So jury, if it is divided, so here plural verb is there, then plural noun is there. We take another example. The committee decided the matter without leaving their seats. So here the committee is also divided. So if it is divided, so plural verb, plural pronoun is there. So you have to see whether the collective noun denotes one idea or it denotes separate ideas. So the subject, it is followed by the verb and pronoun in the same numbers and genders. Thank you very much.